Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. On this one, we're going to be doing a little update and see why I've been a bit MIA. And check out all the new updates in the backyard, what we've been up to. I just keep saying the same thing over and over. But stay to the end because we're going to go down the shed and have a look at where we're at. So this is a whole update video. I'll see you guys. I haven't done it in so long. Yeah, it's going to be a quick update video, so stick around to the end. I'll show you what's going on down the shed. But first up, let's go have a look at the backyard. So this is our new little greenhouse in the backyard that Zarah's been working on, a little project. And what do we got here, babe?
So I have this little mini greenhouse from Bunnings, and I grew all these in eggshells and egg cartons from seeds, and as you can tell, they're definitely ready to plant. And then I've got to carefully try and pick them apart with like a toothpick, like a kebab stick, and plant them in the planter boxes, which have organic mushroom soil in them. Planter boxes are from Birdies Gardening.
Get a shot of them. Oh yeah.
And yeah, we're going to plant some. And then I got some pretty flowers as well. Got some lavender, some aloe vera, which is great for like skin, like if Enzo had any cuts or anything, aloe vera is great. Got some strawberries and all sorts of things going on.
Nice. Cool. Yeah, so the whole idea is to get with nature, teach Enzo a few things. We're learning as well because we've never really planted anything. Pretty much everything we plant just dies. So yeah, this is the first thing that we've ever grown. Enzo, probably don't kick it.
And then we've got some little stepping stones out here. We put some cardboard down to stop weeds coming up through. Nice. And then got some drainage. Elijah likes it. You like that little spot in the sun. And then I moved this from over near the pond situation.
Oh wow.
I just moved it then.
That's a good spot for it.
Popped it on the tree trunk, and then
wow, that's perfect.
This is for the birds. And then also insects can come in and get stuff, and then I might put a few rocks in there just to stop insects and stuff from drowning.
Nice.
And also grabbed a little brick to put some little cutlings here, and yeah.
Yeah, wicked. Nice, babe, nice. So we should probably just go down to the shed now. That was cool, babe. Good stuff. Definitely finished shoveling because I shoveled so much of this. Like that was like majority rocks to about there, and then soil, and then organic soil, and like the closest I could get to the trailer was there, and there's like, I don't know, about 5-6 meters of walking through terrain and then chucking it in. But anyway, that's over with, which Zarah's happy, and I like it too. It's pretty sick. But yeah, so we got the swing set here. It's going moldy because of the rain, and the chickens and ducks down here. I haven't filmed them in ages, but these guys are loving life now that the water feature is in progress still. I left it so long that Zarah started it herself, and she's done a crazy job. It looks sick. You would have seen it on her stories on Instagram if you follow her. She's always doing little updates of that. Bunch of chickens in here. I have to turn this into a big chicken coop, which is another big job. And then down the back here, let's head down the back, eh? What are they doing? Chasing them. So yeah, Enzo likes to wander down here where we have a whole freaking like lineup of cars down here that, I don't know, just keeps growing. Yeah, the ground surface is freaking sick. It's still hard, which is crazy, especially this part that we keep driving on it. It's meant to go gravelly, but it's holding in there pretty freaking well. And yeah, so we got trailer parking over here. I'm thinking about building a tree house up in there for Enzo. That would be freaking awesome. And then a bunch of cars, Brad's. We've got 2 Brads here at the moment working on cars. Brad the apprentice working on his 180, the tube front end, and Xavier's mate Brad with the S14, the blue one. That's up on the hoist doing extended lower control arms. We planted some more hedges here. I got these for $100 delivered. They're already like massive. There's a freaking smudge on the screen, isn't there? Wipe that off. And then down here we've got finger limes. That's a mango tree. Avocados all here. Enzo, you coming? Come this way. I think he's a bit scared of the noises. Compressor's going. And then we have an avocado tree here that's ready to fruit next year. So I bought it big. It was like $150 I think. And then another one over there, which is so cool. So we're gonna have avocados real soon, hopefully, like next year, because they take like a long ass time to start doing the thing. But yeah, let's go check out some of the cars. They got Brad S14, Brad's Hilux, pretty beast. Xavier's Patrol, Xavier's car, Apprentice Brad's S15, Xavier's S13, Xavier's R32 that has a sick bonnet on it now, and front bumper bar, and crazy low at the back, and it's so low that it scrapes on the freaking ground. The FC's got a new front windscreen in it. I need passenger window and something going on with the sunroof to make that waterproof. And then the Golf is just sitting out here being real moldy. I don't know if I've showed this on camera yet. Enzo, maybe you should just stand back right there. Look at this. There's the most disgusting mold in this car. The back seat's probably even worse. That's a real shame, because like I was planning on flipping this car, and now to get it cleaned, because I'm not gonna clean it. It's not even worth the health risk. Unless one of you guys wants to come clean it. It's like about $600 to get it professionally cleaned. That just sucks up the whole budget. 400. Here's Apprentice Brad. What are you up to, mate? What are you up to?
Just hacking away. I didn't want to do any sanding, but Xavier made me.
Yeah, he will make you do that. He's like a perfectionist. I always have the same battle with painting.
I had a gun to my head. I was like,
he's like, you have to sand it. Yeah. He sands his car back to bare metal, mate. He loves it. So Brad's got some new seats in here. Pretty freaking cool. And yeah, the tube front end. I haven't showed it yet.
Oh, I don't think know.
So Xavier did his first tube front end. Brad bought this kit, and yeah, they made it work. The chassis still wasn't quite straight, which we knew, but made it difficult, and yeah, ended up turning out pretty sick.
It's pretty close to straight, but it's never gonna be perfect.
Doesn't need to be straight.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
We're gonna get bent again.
Yeah, fully. Are you excited?
Not for the sanding.
Yeah, I know. I'm asking you at the wrong time.
I spent heaps of money on paint, so that's hopefully get to do that. It'd be nice to do it today, but we'll see.
True. Investment. If you ask nicely, Lorenzo might give you a hand.
Lorenzo, please.
He'll love that tool.
Yeah, I probably should.
Yeah, don't give it to him. Alright, let's have a look in the shed. I'm gonna let you keep going.
Thanks, mate.
Oh, look at those wheels. We got Xavier and Brad. They got earmuffs on, they can't see. Hear us, I mean. Making this thing lower, I think. What's up?
Standing low, control up.
Yeah, sick.
Yeah,
Nice. Full gangster shit, mate.
yeah.
Full gangster. See that, Enzo? Lower control arms extended. Xavier's your man. Bit noisy in here, isn't it? It might come back when it's not so noisy. Alright, so I've got the stairs going. Stairs are done. And they're all bolted in, blind bolted underneath, painted black, the trestles or whatever. And yeah, let's go right up. It's nice and stable now. Whew, it's actually pretty fumey, hey. Got the top platform here. Look at that, mate. Look at this for a view. So, there's a new 180 here. Let's go check it out. So, this is Jacob from Sushi DC. His 180 project. I don't even know if it's meant to be like a secret or something. Probably not. But he's got this new 180 project here. And I said, yeah, bloody oath, bring it down, mate. So he's using this bay. And this one here is hopefully going to be free soon. I'll probably put Brad the Apprentice in here and get this Subaru out. So next episode coming right up, like literally today. But you guys will probably see it on the next episode. I'm going to be pulling this engine out of the GC8 Subaru, and putting in the new second-hand one I got for 400 bucks. Bloody good deal over here. It's just sitting, waiting to be put in. You got SR and some other engine that's old as shit. Don't know what that is. So yeah, we're gonna get that in, and hopefully it starts, and then we can sell that. But yeah, it's good times down here. I'm pretty keen to actually bust out the tools and do some work, because these boys are getting it done. So as soon as Enzo goes to sleep, I'll be down here getting into the Subaru. I'm pumped, eh? I'm pumped. Alright, here you go. You want to give Brad a hand? Nah, he's not feeling like it today. And then just quickly, to wrap this one up, in my shed, R32 is sitting here. I've done a bit on it, but I'm not going to show you just yet. Keep it a surprise, because it's made some progress. But I really haven't done that much, actually, to be honest. Bunch of wheels here that need to go on some cars. Got a whole bunch of fiberglass here for all the cars. That's still sitting in the corner. Apprentice Brad has his RVs in here. Need to get that gearbox rebuilt. This is all shit for the R32. So many parts to go in. So much time needed. Brad's motorbike. The 180SX, got a new bonnet for it. Thanks to Jacob bringing that down. It's going to be so much more tough. Definitely making the 180 look more aggressive now with the new style that I'm going for. And the S13. I'm waiting on some fuel hose to fix the pinched hose that was squashed from the door. When that gets here, I'll get that in. Yeah, I've still got to do shit on every car. Not one of them is ready, which is pretty sad. The shed is a shit show. There's shit everywhere. But that's pretty much it. So that was a quick update. Hope you guys seen some things and had some excitement for the future. There's definitely going to be a lot. There's a lot going on. So let's get this Subaru engine out and the other one in, fire it up, and do some all-drive skids. That'll be sick, actually, if it works. I'll be so excited. Will you be excited if it works? Huh? Nah, not that keen on Subarus. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Like the video, drop a comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also, for the Subaru content, if you guys are into Subarus, I know a lot of you guys are, share the channel with your friends and tell them to subscribe, because there's going to be a fair bit of Subaru content coming up, probably the next few episodes in a row. And we'll do a tear down of the engine that has no compression as well. But anyway, see you guys in the next episode. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. What are you doing? Bloopers, I'll just blur it out. Hello? Hello? How do you know you're on camera? Hello? Hey. Look. Look, ready? Look. I'll show you. Yeah. These? Wow. Who's that? Who can you see? Lorenzo and Dad. That's you.